Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, mind, body, wisdom expert, master dowser, fan of Eckhart Tolle, and author of this best-selling book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. I want to talk today about releasing the pain body for loved ones. The pain body is a situation as described by Eckhart in this incredible book and probably many of his other works. He's a world-famous author. The only disagreement I have with him is basically you have to live in the power now to get rid of the pain body or to not be connected to it and such, and expose it to the light. Says you cannot fight the pain body. Well, maybe you can't fight it, but you can certainly clear it, and I've proven that with a number of people who have contacted me after watching my earlier video on releasing the pain body in us, right? And in case you're like, what the heck is the pain body? As I was. The pain body is an energy field, and I'm reading from page 84, almost like an entity that has become temporarily lodged in your inner space. It is energy that is no longer flowing. It's become trapped. The pain body is there because of certain things that happened in the past. It is the living past in you. And if you identify with it, you identify with the past. A victim identity is the belief that the past is more powerful than the present, which is the opposite of the truth. So, we've all gone through painful times. I mean, even kids, right? And it's so awful when you see someone you love and there's nothing you could do to help them. Well, I would suggest the first thing to do, someone in pain, is to release their pain body. And people have seen my pain body video but not understood how to do it for a loved one. It would be a good idea to ask permission of your loved one. Can I release your pain body? But they might be like, I don't know what you're talking about, stay away, all that, I don't want you to do anything. Well, maybe it's their karma to stay in pain. I don't know, or in their soul contract, whatever. I would suggest that if someone is in horrible pain and they absolutely reject this kind of work, then maybe leave them alone. I know one of my clients started working on her son against his will. He's a teenager, specifically said, I don't want you to do that, just leave me alone. But she went ahead and did, and they both ended up getting very ill. So if someone tells you don't do it, then I would suggest you do not do it. But if you do, use it at your own risk, right? So someone's in a horrible, great deal of pain, maybe even animals too. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it on any animals. You should be able to remotely remove their pain body by doing how I showed to do it for yourself. But I will show you now something quick and easy to do. So I was contacted recently by a woman whose husband was in such terrible, horrible pain. He just wanted to die. It was 24/7. He couldn't sleep. He could barely eat. The doctors couldn't help him, and he just gave up. I just want to lay here and die. I'm not going to any more doctors. I'm not doing anything. And she said, is there anything you could do? And the first thing I thought of was, okay, we'll get rid of the pain body, and then I would text her and find out if anything had changed. Yes, he felt so much better. He was willing to go to the doctor and also just to change some things in his life. Well, that was a good win. Now, when I cleared his pain body, I did a lot of coughing and a little gagging because his energy was so toxic with this pain body. It had been going on for decades and decades, right? So I just want you to be aware that if you release someone's pain body, either in person or remotely, you might start having a reaction, a physical reaction. So have a glass of water nearby, and you can ask, and I will ask now, Archangel Michael, thank you for being here to protect us in this procedure, and Archangel Raphael, the Master Healer, thank you for being here to guide us along. So as you know, I do meridian clearing like this. This clears the meridian as you're talking about things to be released. Tap under your nose if you got some shoulder pain, or you could spin a pendulum. And right now I'm going to do the pendulum, because in my other pain body video for you, we just did some clearing like this. So, are you ready? I don't know what's going to happen. But I did get the message that after weeks ago clearing the pain body in this beautiful woman and her spouse, pain bodies have returned. And that can happen. And when you go through stress, we're all under a lot of stress and fear, and the media, fear-mongering, and their emotional terrorism. So they're growing pain bodies on us over and over again. I check daily to see if mine is growing back, and a couple of times it has. Or maybe it was some fresh pain about things. I don't know. But this is all you got to do. Again, meridian clearing, talking about releasing the pain body, or pendulum. You can also use your hand, spinning it to the left, flatten palm. That works too. Look at this guy. He's like, I'm eager to get going, Colleen. Come on now. All right. With much love and appreciation and gratitude for knowing these two beautiful people. Way too young to have all this situation going on with them. But I know they've been through some horrible pain in their lives, the loss of the loved ones, loss of the parents, loss of many things in their lives. And we all suffer loss. So we pretty much all have pain bodies, right? Get rid of it. I now call in the energies of Archangel Michael and Archangel Raphael to work with me now. Scramble the energy, neutralize, and terminate with extreme prejudice the pain body, first of all, of the spouse, the woman who contacted me for help, what to do. I just let go of your pain body now for you, because I know you want help and you want to feel better, and you've been under so much hardship and pain and stress. And then the pain body of her spouse who has also suffered greatly, and of course she's suffering to see him suffer. It's like a vicious circle, isn't it? Pain and suffering. Sometimes we just feel like nothing's ever going to be good again. We let all this go now as we focus with love and gratitude on this beautiful woman and her spouse. And we release for both of them the pain bodies. Her now. Oh, whoa. Okay. And releasing the pain body for him, scrambling its energy, neutralizing its frequency, vaporizing that pain body so that it never returns. A new one might pop in, but you can get rid of that too. That's all you got to do. Think with love and gratitude about your loved one. You might want to connect with your heart, a green beam of energy going to them, to clear it all out, as I'm imagining now to this lovely couple. And I just heard telepathically, so it is done. That says to me that it's time to spin in to the right, instill love and light and protection and well-being at 100% effectiveness and functionality for both these lovely souls. Oh, I just felt a huge release coming from the two of them. And much love and gratitude coming from their spirits as well. So that's pretty much all you have to do, is just think about this loved one and help them any way you know how, by following along with this video, spinning your hand or a pendulum, doing whatever you need to do to help them out, whether they know it or not. And again, if they said specifically, don't you dare do any of that stuff. I don't believe in it. I don't like it. If you go ahead and do it on them, do it at your own risk, because you might have some bad side effects. You know, we don't know what's in people's sacred contracts, and sometimes maybe they want to go through some suffering in this lifetime in order to help others. That's what triggered me. I was knocking at death's door, so it felt like, and the doctors couldn't help me, and their medicine just made me sicker and sicker until I just went and took care of myself in my own way through meridian clearing, emotional release, dowsing, all this stuff. Now, just going to show you dowsing. This is a yes answer, this is a no answer. It's muscle testing, which is a form of dowsing. I'm connecting into the woman who I helped her spouse with now. Am I still connected to her with my green beam of light I sent her way? Am I still connected into him? Okay, that's fine. I now choose to disconnect the link to these two beautiful souls who just want to live their lives and be happy and healthy and well. I disconnect my heart energy from their heart's energies now, and so it is. That's so simple. Always remember to disconnect, because you don't want to be disconnected in this or connected into someone else's energies, right? It's so simple. So go ahead and let me know how you did. Let me know if anyone reported feeling better. People who have done the other video of the pain body release have contacted me and said, I can't believe it. I'm feeling tingly all over. I'm just so happy. I feel so free. My pain's gone, or it's greatly lessened for people who are in severe pain. So that's one thing you could do to help a loved one. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. You are a treasure. For watching this video and wanting to help others. Always remember that. You are loved beyond belief. You are appreciated. Peace out. Namaste. Get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book on my website, emorescue.com. There's also links to all my Amazon books and other interesting information. Thank you.